Welcome. Today we're uncovering the truth about juice cleanses. Thinking about that 3-day juice cleanse? You might want to hold that thought. We're told to chug these expensive juices to reset our system, but the science is telling a very different story. In fact, a recent Northwestern University study found that drinking only juice for just 3 days can trigger shifts in your gut bacteria linked to inflammation. Researchers discovered that people on a juice-only diet saw an increase in inflammatory bacteria. Why? The high sugar and low fiber in most juices can throw your gut's delicate ecosystem completely out of whack. So, before you drop a ton of cash on a so-called cleanse, let's talk about the way to give your gut a reset. Next up, the smarter gut reset approach. Now let's dive into the core facts. The biggest issue with most juice cleanses is the removal of one critical thing: fiber. Let's explore why fiber matters most. When you run a fruit or vegetable through a juicer, you get the liquid and leave the pulp behind. That pulp is the fiber, and it's the main food source for the good bacteria in your gut. These beneficial microbes produce anti-inflammatory compounds, like butyrate, that are absolutely essential for a healthy gut lining. When you strip out the fiber, you're basically starving your good microbes and throwing a sugar-fueled party for the less desirable bacteria. This can seriously disrupt your microbiome. The Northwestern University study highlighted this perfectly. Participants on a juice-only diet for 3 days showed a significant spike in bacteria associated with gut permeability and inflammation. This doesn't mean all juice is terrible, but it proves a multi-day all-juice fast isn't the science-backed fix it's marketed to be. And the idea that you need juice to detoxify? That's a myth. Your liver and kidneys are pros at that all by themselves. Remember, your liver and kidneys handle detox. Prioritize nourishing foods over restrictive cleanses. Next, how to use juice wisely. Ready to reset your gut the smart way? So how do we get the good stuff from juice without the bad? The secret is to use it strategically, not as a meal replacement for days, but as a tool to give your digestive system a short break and a flood of nutrients. Because juice has the fiber removed, its nutrients can be absorbed by the body with incredible speed. This gives your digestive system a rest from the tough job of breaking down complex, solid foods. Instead of a 3-day ordeal, just think of a single glass. The goal isn't to starve your system. It's to deliver a concentrated, easily digestible shot of vitamins and anti-inflammatory compounds that support your gut without the sugar overload. And that brings us to the perfect recipe designed to do exactly that. This recipe is simple, and every ingredient is chosen to help support digestion and calm things down. You'll need 1 cup of fresh pineapple, 2 large celery stalks, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, and half a lime, peeled. So why does this combo work? First up, pineapple. It's not just for tropical flavor. It's loaded with a group of enzymes called bromelain. Bromelain is known for helping your body break down proteins and may help reduce inflammation. Next, celery. This isn't just crunchy water, it's hydrating and can help reduce bloating and water retention. Then we have ginger, which has been used for centuries to aid digestion. Research shows it can help by stimulating your body's own digestive juices, which helps to alleviate indigestion and gas. Finally, a little lime juice provides a zesty kick and a boost of vitamin C. Together, these ingredients create a powerhouse juice that soothes and supports your system. Here's how to maximize this juice's benefits. To really get the most from this juice, timing and technique matter. For the fastest possible nutrient delivery, try drinking it on an empty stomach in the morning. Think of it as a supplement to your already balanced diet, not a meal replacement. And here's a pro tip. After you juice, stir a small spoonful of that leftover pulp back into your glass. This reintroduces some of that crucial fiber you just removed, giving your gut microbes something to work with. If you want to keep all the fiber from the get-go, blending this recipe into a smoothie is another fantastic option. This juice is an amazing tool for an instant reset, but building true, long-term gut health is about the bigger picture. If you're serious about transforming your digestive wellness, you need to know which foods actively feed your microbiome. That's why I made a video on the top 5 fermented foods that will supercharge your gut health. Click the link on screen at the end of the video or in the description to watch it next. Let's close this video with some final thoughts and a friendly reminder. Forget the extreme, expensive, and scientifically questionable juice cleanses. Real gut support isn't about deprivation, it's about strategic nourishment. A single, thoughtfully made juice can give your digestive system a moment of rest and a powerful shot of supportive nutrients, all without wrecking your microbiome. It's a simple, effective reset you can use anytime you feel you need it. Now go give it a try. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips that actually work. Keep your vibes high and your health higher. Catch you in the next one.